Hyundai's digital center mirror enhances driver visibility by providing a clear, unobstructed view of the area behind the vehicle, and may also help while driving at night. This system utilizes a rear-mounted camera designed to project real-time footage onto the mirror's display. You can also use the digital center mirror as a conventional optical mirror. A lever located at the base of the mirror allows drivers to toggle between modes. Pull the lever towards you for the camera view. When in the camera view, you can adjust the brightness of the display. Press the menu button until the brightness icon is selected. Then, use the adjustment buttons to raise or lower the brightness to your preference. You can also adjust the angle of the displayed image. Use the menu button again to toggle to the correct mode. Then, use the adjustment buttons to change the angle of the digital image up or down. Note that the digital center mirror is a convenience feature and not a substitute for safe vehicle operation. Be sure to check all blind spots when operating your vehicle. For more information on this and many other available features, please refer to your Hyundai Owner's Manual.